InboxBlaster review with unseen bonuses. Hello guys, how are you doing? So as you know, the most of the gurus that are on the internet are making money, the most amount of the money that they made by email marketing. Basically, email marketing is the very huge business in online marketing. So mostly the 50 to 80% of the money that your gurus are making are by affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a really great option to connect with your audience, with your customer. The very huge companies like Apple, Google, YouTube, and many more companies are using email marketing to engage with your customers. So when a customer put an email in your lead form, so he is connected with you, because when he checked his mail, obviously if your headline had a power, if your promotion section has a power, then obviously he will click on your email. It is very necessary. So that's why InboxBlaster is here. It is a really massive tool for those who want to make money by email marketing. It put a huge annotation on your subscriber email. Mostly the 60 and 70% of your subscriber are using Gmail for their email services, Gmail provider. So that's why this InboxBlaster is a really massive tool that put a simple great pop-up like a Google ad on their email feed. So this little tool is really helpful and massive. Let's take a look at the inside and dashboard of InboxBlaster. So here we are in the dashboard of InboxBlaster. In the dashboard we will get a very huge list of options, but first of all, when you log in into your dashboard of InboxBlaster, you will get these 4 options. So let's take a look at these options. First of all, if you want to create an annotations with the mobile annotation includes coupon, discounts and feature image, when you open your Gmail and you click on the section of your promotions, then you will find a little bit promotions of many companies that promoted your product, that promoted their products. Okay, so first click on the annotations email. Okay, here you will get a lot of templates for your ad, for your Gmail ad. Get a lot of templates. You will put these templates on your subscriber promotion section. So we will talk about this in just a couple of seconds. So let's take a look. And you could create your own template by just clicking this button, create from scratch. So for now I just choose this template, click on it. You can use all of the templates, and after this here you can change the headings, you can change the name, you can change subject line, you can change the picture. Obviously you can change the subheadline, coupon, date, time zone and your promotional image URL. Okay, so after this, click on this button, get your annotation code. After this you'll get this code. Okay, just click on this button and you will get your code downloaded. After this, copy this code and paste this code on your favorite autoresponder and your ad will be live. Okay, so let's take at the look of other options. Here are the other app, LinkBlaster by David. So here are the campaigns that are already created. Okay, already created by the users, and actions. Here one click and click on the one click actions, and here you can check, and if you can use their templates, and obviously if you don't want to use the templates, click create from the scratch. here you can select a lot of options. For example, either here drinks with me, so I'll put it let's crack it, make money more than you think. Okay, here is action. Just provide any URL, your affiliate link will be here. Okay, so basically my here are the example. You will put https is necessary for this, that's why my link is not working, because I don't want to put any controversial link here also. Okay, so when you click here you will get an button, so you can put the button put this button on your autoresponder. Here is another great option by the InboxBlaster. Here's the list cleaner. Just click on this button and import your list here, and you will clean all your list, and it will remove the dead emails. It will remove all those email who are not currently active. The account of those subscriber are deleted or banned or something issue, so that's why it will remove those email from your list. Okay, and after this, here is a great option by InboxBlaster is a reputation checker. When you put your put your domain name here, you will check your reputation of your domain. And here is the another great tool, it's called spam checker. When you emailed someone, the autoresponder has some words in their list which is called spam word. When anyone use these word and their autoresponder account got banned, so that's why InboxBlaster has a great tool. When you put your all email here, it will tell you about some of the spam words. When you remove these words, and your email is very safe. Okay, and here are the support and bonuses you will get it. And email editor are here. Obviously, when you want to edit your email specially, then this editor has a lot of option that you can use for editing your email. Everything that you need to edit is here. Okay, so here are the bonuses. And okay, so I'm going to show you about the bonuses that I made specially for you. So here are the front end price of InboxBlaster is $17 to $27. So and OTO one price is 37. Okay, here are the some massive bonuses that I specially made for you. For example, if you are looking from the start, the bonuses is 5 steps to profit. Okay, Athens blueprint, affiliate marketing blueprint, very huge bonuses. I can't read one by one. So basically that are related to internet marketing, affiliate marketing, Google AdSense, and basically all things are related to make money online. So that's why I put these 28 massive bonuses that can help you to make a lot of money, more than ever you think. So okay, so if you want to buy InboxBlaster, then link in the description. You can buy it by through my link, and you will get all these bonuses. Now, how you claim the bonuses? When you purchase from the Warrior Plus, obviously this product is from Warrior Plus, then go to your access your bonus of affiliate bonus. Here are the all things you will. When you purchase, you will show these things. Okay, here is the and here are the bonuses that will you going to get. Okay, so access your purchase. So Warrior Plus has this is the Warrior Plus option. Access your purchase, access your affiliate bonuses, and you will get the bonuses. If you have any query, then email at mesharostor@gmail.com, and I'll obviously reply your any queries. Thank you for the support.